Raquel Welch's editor's pick, you finally have some competition. Today we're going to discuss and review a brand new style by Belle Tress in their City collection. This one is called Newport in the color Crushed Almond R. All the details coming up. Newport is a short to medium bob style. It features some soft tumbled waves, the perfect length, some gentle volume, very little to no permatease, and an outstanding cap. I purchased this style. You can find it at Wig Studio One. As always, below the video, if you expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link. If you click on the link titled Belle Tress Newport, it'll take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors and the pricing on this style. Belle Tress City collection is carried by Wig Studio One. You will also get a 30% off discount automatically at checkout. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. So we have about 11 inches here in the front, but overall right around 12 inches. And it just feels, the shape of it feels something like all the things I love about the editor's pick in terms of its shape and its length. That's kind of where the similarities do end, however, because your editor's pick is going to have a softer, rounder curl pattern, where this one is a little more tousled and casual looking. However, it does feature a nice soft, gentle volume without permatease, guys. And so if you remember, the editor's pick does have quite a bit of permatease if you're getting the regular version as opposed to the Elite. And this one has none of that soft, pillowy permatease. I think Belle Tress has really perfected this, and this is just something very unique in the market, is that we can get a soft, gentle volume. It's stylable and sustainable without all the permatease. So yes, it can be done. And I am thrilled with it on this style. So what you'll see is that there's a little bit of a fullness here at the bottom, just done by some graduated layering and wave. There's no permatease back there. And that allows for a more natural movement, a more natural look, and some flexibility with your styling, because if your thing is not a poofy style, this can just be really styled to suit your preference in terms of the amount of visual volume that you're getting. This is the heat-friendly fiber that we know and love by Belle Tress. I sense that it is the same in terms of a soft, buttery, luxurious feeling. And it's just the perfect length. Above the collar on most people, I feel like you're going to get some good longevity from this one. I'm most excited about these cap upgrades in the City collection. It features an ear-to-ear lace front. Remember the Cafe collection, typically you're going to see that temple-to-temple lace, and then the monofilament lace parts they're kind of stunted. They only go back about halfway. Now in the case of the City collection, however, ear-to-ear lace. That lace runs all the way back through the ear tab, and you'll see that monofilament lace part go all the way back to the hind crown. And I think this just gives a really beautiful natural look. But that's not where these upgrades end. Let me talk about this monofilament lace. It's a really fine grid, and it features a softer lace material. It is not shiny. It blends with the skin tone, and it just works beautifully. You can definitely get the illusion of scalp much better along those monofilament areas. And it has Velcro adjusters. Yay, this is a huge win for us. I really believe that Belle Tress was listening when we said we were done with those pull strap adjusters. I feel like I get a much better fit. Let's talk about the fit on this City collection. So I think the sizing model is the same as the other Belle Tress, okay? I think they're average, and they're just very suitable for the average large circumference as well. However, with these new caps and the Velcro adjusters, I feel like I can get a much better and more secure fit with those Velcro adjusters. So with a 21¼ inch circumference, I was able to pull those adjusters in as far as they could go. It feels so good, and it doesn't move. Sometimes with those strap adjusters, all it would take is for you to pull it in a certain way, or stuff one of your hairs back up in there, and all of a sudden now your size is off because you've stretched it and moved those strap adjusters. These Velcro adjusters aren't going anywhere. I just feel so much better. So they have really perfected that. The sizing again is the same, but I feel like that petite average is going to be better accommodated by those Velcro adjusters. So let's talk about the color. Now I want to let you know that I have ordered at least one of each one of the new styles from this city collection. And I have ordered at least one of the brand new color offers in this city collection. So we'll be able to examine these. I also have color codes and we're going to dig into them pretty deeply. I'll do comparisons, but I ended up ordering this one in a blonde that I thought I would love because this style is one I thought I would keep and wear out, not just for this presentation. So this one is in that Crushed Almond Blonde R. The color code is 1417101 plus 18 on the root. So if you caught my review on the Los Angeles style in this very same color, I feel like they're exactly the same. I don't feel like there's any huge variances based on these two pieces in this Crushed Almond Blonde R. So what we're looking at is more of a sandy blonde base color. And then it's heavily highlighted with a light to pale ash blonde and then a platinum. So that sandy blonde is rather neutral, but it does give it just a kiss of soft warmth. It's not enough to make this a warm blonde. This is neutral, and it seems to be leaning cool just because of the prevalence of the platinum and the ash blonde highlighting. So the root is supposed to be a light brown root. Blends beautifully because they intersperse the color, they soften the lace front and hairline. The transition is beautiful, and I personally think it's really soft and lovely. So if you like colors like Shaded Biscuit by Raquel Welch, you're gonna love this. If you like the Burnt Biscuit color by Belle Tress in their Luxe collection, I think you're gonna love this. There really isn't a good match for this color in the Cafe collection by Belle Tress. I feel like the Butterbeer Blonde is gonna be the closest that you will find, but I feel like this may just have a little bit of more of that creamy light sandiness in it to soften it up. I do love this style, and I do compare it to Editor's Pick in terms of its styling. However, the Editor's Pick has a 4.5-inch bang, and this one is that full 10-inch length. I love to see a shorter fringe. I think it's so much more manageable. However, this one seems to part right down the center of that monofilament lace material and fold back and meet the style in a way that gives it a soft framing around the face. So you could definitely come in and trim a shorter fringe on this style if that was your desire to do that. So I pulled the style out of the box, I gave it a nice shake, and then I just sort of woke up the fiber. It's just something you could curl up and sleep in. It's so incredibly luxurious and soft. And I really didn't have to do much to the front. It kind of built in a little bit of a contour there. You could wear it away from the face and just train it there to go away from the face, and that gives you a little natural contour. However, if that wasn't your preference, you could definitely wear it down over the forehead. And remember, it's heat friendly, so you can tweak your style a little bit, make it perform how you want by using a little bit of heat. So let's go ahead, and I'm just gonna maneuver this around to give you some ideas of some different looks. You get a really good sense of the movement, the density, the softness of it. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon, right back here on TAZ's Wig Closet.